Okay. So, Joy, anything in particular you want to ask me, or you want to have any discussion before starting the syllabus? Any difficulty you are facing in school? Anything you want to share with me?
The only thing means in the calculation I do a lot of mistakes like
Okay.
fluctuating accounts in this.
Okay.
I post wrongly.
Okay. So basically, what is our objective here? Our objective is just to get your fundamentals clear. Once you have your fundamentals clear, so you will be able to do your calculation. Every concept will be clear to you, and most probably you will be able to do any kind of question from any book or any exam. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
best thing for you is just to ask me anywhere you are feeling that you haven't got any point, you don't have, are you are not able to have the understanding which I want you to have. So you can just simply ask. I'll emphasize on that point. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you can really be frank with me. You can ask me any query. You don't need to be shy about anything. You want to ask me about anything from class 11. That is also fine. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, okay, what we are doing in school, which chapter are you doing in school?
Uh, I mean, this current. Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry.
Partnership only.
Actually, we have completed this partnership and all. We are discussing about the past adjustments of. You asked the chapter name, right?
Okay, okay. You are following the CBSE curriculum only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. We're doing partnership only. This is a very
Okay.
big chapter.
Yes. So basically, partnership itself is a big unit. The name of the
Yeah, yeah,
unit is partnership. है ना?
yeah,
And we have
yeah,
around 6 chapters in it.
yeah.
है ना? First chapter
Yes,
is
sir.
the fundamental one. And past adjustments question come in this chapter. They're covered in fundamental chapter only.
Okay,
So you don't need to worry. I'll make every effort to make you understand all the concepts. Okay.
okay,
So
okay,
first of all, what happens is, you know this thing. We'll just have a quick brief what we already discussed. Okay. So
okay,
we'll make sure we don't skip any point. So what
okay,
happens? They basically there are three types of entity. Okay. So
okay.
you know what in what sense we use this word entity?
Single entity,
And entity,
business entity.
entity,
Sorry, business entity.
business entity. Basically, it is the legal form of business.
Yeah.
Legal form of business means that you are doing business on your own. So then it is known as sole proprietorship.
Yeah.
But if you want to expand this business, you need money, you need more people.
Yes,
So
sir.
then in that case, you need to form a partnership. Okay.
Yeah.
And we have a limit of partners in a partnership firm. Maximum partners can be 50. So if you require more money in the business and you need more people in the business, then you will go for companies, right?
Yes, sir.
So we know that there are three forms of entity. One is sole proprietorship, the other one is partnership,
Partnership.
and the third one is companies.
Companies means what type is it, sir?
Companies is also a legal form of business. Any company which the name of which ends with private limited or limited is a company. A partnership firm does not have these words at the end of their name. Got it?
Like
It is
private
just a
limited
legal.
means who will run the business?
So we'll cover this subject. I'll just brief you about it. So you must have heard about the term shareholders,
Yes, sir.
right? So
Yeah.
just like we have partners in partnership firms, similarly we have shareholders in companies. Okay, the ownership of company is divided among shareholders.
Yes.
Whoever is holding shares of a particular company will be the
Is the
owner of
owner.
the company.
Yeah.
Yes, and company is basically involve two kind of persons. So one is the management. Okay, management
Oh,
includes the directors of the company. Okay, and the other thing is the ownership of the company. So ownership of the company stays with the shareholders. Got it?
yes,
So
sir.
people who are running the company, all the decisions are taken by the management.
Yeah.
That means directors take all the decision of the company.
Yeah.
Whereas shareholder just invest their money in the company.
Yeah.
Got it? But in
Yes.
case of partnership, the partners invest money in the partnership firm, as well as
Yes.
they are taking all the decision on their own.
Yeah.
Now you got some now you understood some difference between partnership
Yes.
and companies. It
Yes,
is
sir.
just different ways of running a business, different legal forms of business. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And this about the company's part, we'll study in the next book in detail. So you don't need to worry about it. I'll even take some real practical examples about companies. I'll even show
Okay.
about show details about the companies to you. So then
Okay.
you'll build some interest in financial part. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So today we'll be starting off with partnership only. So partnership is nothing but a joint venture between two-person, an association between two-person. If
Yeah.
two or more person even says that we need to work together, that means they are forming a partnership. You
Yeah.
don't need any kind of registration or any kind of document to form a partnership. Got it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So every fact I'll be stating in front of you is given in Partnership Act 1932. Indian Partnership Act 1932. So
Two.
every rule is written in this act. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we understood that partnership is nothing but when two or more person come together to work for the same cause. Their
Yeah.
objective is same. So
Yeah.
then they'll just form a partnership. Any kind of verbal agreement, oral agreement also constitute a partnership. You don't
Yeah.
require any document. Got it? But
Yes, sir.
but the thing is, it is okay that you don't require any document. But don't you think if we do not define some rules for the partner, they will have some kind of dispute among themselves?
Yeah.
है ना?
Names and addresses of all partners like that.
Like any kind of rule that, for example, we say there were two partners in a firm, A and B. So A
Okay.
have put in more capital in the business. So he's stating that he should get interest on capital. है ना? But B
Yes.
says that no, I'm giving more time to the business, so I must be provided with salary. So this can create dispute among the partner, right? because
Yes,
we
sir.
don't have any defined set of rules that who will get what amount or in what form they can get profit of the business. So in that case, anyone can stand up and say, I need this much amount of money, I need this much amount of rupees. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
we must have some set of rules so that there is not any dispute among the partners. So in that case, we are required to have a partnership deed. It is not mandatory to have a partnership deed, but it is advisable to have a partnership deed. Got it?
Oh,
And
yes,
partnership deed is nothing but a document. Document of what? Of which contains every detail
the
about the partners, like
part.
name, address of the partners, or it can be why they are doing, what kind of business are they doing. That is also mentioned in the partnership deed. Got it?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
deed is nothing but a document which consists of all the details of the partnership. Name, address of the firm, name, address of the partners, type and nature of business for which the firm was formed. है ना? It could
Yes.
be the amount bought in by the partners.
Yeah.
But main point we want to study here are, first of all, is interest on capital. What is interest on capital? So we know
Um. Yeah.
business requires money to run,
Capital.
है ना? And
Yes.
only the owner can provide business with some money. So
Yes, sir.
anything which owners put in business, any money invested by the owner in the business is capital,
Yes.
and owner expect some kind of,
Interest on capital.
yes, return in interest in return. So that is interest on capital. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The other thing we must study is about interest on drawing.
Yeah.
So similarly, owner requires some money for his personal use.
Yes.
So he withdrew some money from the business.
Yeah.
And similarly, business now requires owner to pay some interest to the business.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, there can be salaries to be provided to the partners. Like like there were three partners, and among the three
Yes.
partners, A was showing to the business on regular basis, like he was present there on all the days of the week.
Yeah.
So A is here showing more intent to run this business.
Yes.
So he said that he requires some salary in addition to the
Yeah.
profit. So in that case, this must be written in the partnership deed that who can be provided with the salary.
Salary.
Yes, got it. So
Yes, sir.
partnership deed is nothing. It consists of all the points which can be a point of dispute for the partners. We can write, we can add any point which we think can be of a matter of dispute among the partners. Got it? And one important
Yes.
point is PSR, that is the profit sharing ratio. In what ratio will be the profit divided among the partners? Got it? It can be any ratio upon which the partners have agreed upon. Got
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you want to add here? You want to ask? Any question you
No,
are
sir.
having? Okay, okay. So we'll quickly move on to the next point. So,
Okay.
uh, Joy,